Guys, today is a very exciting day. It's a very exciting vlog. Welcome back to my channel. We moved into a new house. For those of you who don't know, we moved from New York to LA kind of temporarily recently, and we were not sure if we were 100% on our decision or if it was just in the meantime while COVID was still around in New York. We fell in love with LA, fell in love with the lifestyle here, and we decided to move out of our Airbnb, which is a temporary place, and into a permanent home. And I'm in that home right now. It literally just feels like a dream come true. It feels like a new chapter of our lives. It feels like we are officially LA residents, and I am so freaking grateful for this house. I'm grateful that it can be our Bloom headquarters and we can have our team here comfortably. In our current house, we have one bathroom and one downstairs room, so it's a little bit hectic, and I feel like they deserve a better work environment. So I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I am not gonna do a full tour yet until Greg's back because I need him to film me to show you all the amazing things about this house. So before we jump into the full house tour, I just want to give you guys some info on the house. One of our requirements when we were looking for a house was for it to be furnished. All of our furniture is back in New York, and honestly, we were not ever really emotionally tied to that furniture, and we don't really have time right now to have a whole house built up and designed by us. We need to get our team in here, we need to get living, so we want it to be furnished. It is a rental for right now. It's a 6-month rental, but we have the option to renew after that, and I think that we will. It's pretty much in a very similar neighborhood that we were in before, still close to the beach, still in an area of LA that we really, really love. And I'm so excited to make content in here for you guys. We have to organize the closet, we have to get decorating for Christmas, we have to set up the offices, we have to go get all the kitchen stuff. There is a ton to do. I'll talk to you guys when Greg's here and I can give you a full tour. Lila's checking out the new house. So is Leo.
Lil, look at this thing.
Good girl. She's peeing already, guys. It's a good sign.
Holy. Now I'm excited to start.
You guys,
the level of upgrade is insane.
Leo, you have a toilet paper holder in here.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, Leo, I gotta
There's a holder? Look at this flushing
mechanism. Look at all this storage.
Hi guys, so I have Greg with me now. Thank you, Greg, and we're gonna do a full house tour. Come on in. Right away, one thing I'm super excited about is the mud closet, because we have such an issue with all of our shoes and coats and stuff, and this is so perfect. So love this. In our current place, we have one bathroom that all of us share, and it does not have a door on it. Now we have like 5+ bathrooms. Here is the first bathroom that you see. Come show them this cool wallpaper. Love. And then guys, this sink is the most extra sink. This tap goes all the way to the ceiling. Something that Greg is very excited about, and he has gone through, I think, 3 to 4 years of not really having his own office to finally having his own office space. So he has an awesome big desk. You have storage under there. I don't know if you noticed that.
Beautiful.
A big chair for when I need to do some work with him. His own bathroom and shower. So we literally don't even need to interact anymore.
It's so nice.
So this is my favorite area of the house. It's so big and light and airy. Right here we have the living room. So this is where I see us having friends over, chatting. I'm gonna decorate this for Christmas for sure. Right here we have I love a round dining table. This is so great for like chatting and having a good conversation, whether it's with the team or with some friends. Also, this is amazing. Right here we actually have a wine bowl, which I'm sure Greg will fill up with some organic wine because that's definitely his thing. Kitchen is very modern and amazing. As you guys know, we cook all the time, meaning Greg cooks a lot. It came with these beautiful stools and a super nice big fridge. That's great. And then did you see inside the freezer?
What about it?
By the way, guys, we're currently still figuring this house out, so this is all new for us as well.
We're 20 minutes in.
Yeah. Beautiful freezer with like drawer space, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Thanks for your drinks. We definitely need to stock up and get some more. Look how cool this is. I like love that for like the, you know?
And that super commercial stove, if you know me. I'm about that high heat cooking, so.
And then I thought this would be amazing for spices and supplements, as well as this. So really no reason for anything to need to be out.
Well, Bloom will stay out.
Which is how I like it. Guys, a microwave.
Oh yeah, our current house doesn't have one.
And then over here, I think I'm gonna set up a tea station here because both of us are really into tea right now. 2 different wine fridges. Oh, maybe this one's for red and that one's for white?
Or like red wine and then cans, whatever we want.
Oh,
yeah.
Cool. Hey, can I please order a bottle of greens, Red Blue Nutrition? We have these amazing accordion or pocket doors. I'm not really sure which one those are. And a really cool bench area for entertaining. And then we also have a whole seated area right here. Let's actually walk down. This is obviously a jacuzzi, which we were not expecting to have at all. And it has a beautiful water feature coming down, which is really nice. And then over here, a really nice seated area. I feel like we're gonna sit out here at night.
For sure.
There is a TV. We don't watch a ton of TV, so I don't know if we'll use that. But there's also a Tesla charger, which we won't be needing in the next couple of weeks. So I'm for sure gonna put some little decorations in each shelf here.
Maybe like a picture.
Oh, that's such a cute
Yeah, that's cute,
idea.
right? And then we don't need to put any nails on the wall.
So this is our upstairs landing. I have always wanted to have an upstairs landing. I don't know why, it just feels like grand. And it also gives you some separation between work and personal life. That's something that we've always struggled with because work really is our life, but it's nice to have this kind of like zen space where we can kind of turn our brains off. I'm for sure gonna put some Christmas lights on this banister, so excited. And you can see down into the living room so I can spy on Lulu no matter what she's doing. Here is the laundry room. How cute is this, guys? Wait, what's in here? Okay. So, oh, I can hang things up to dry. Then over here we have our 2 spare bedrooms. We're gonna definitely keep one of them as a bedroom for when we have like Greg's mom or my parents come stay.
Drunk friends.
Super nice view of the backyard. In here we have a Jack and Jill style bathroom, which is actually huge and really pretty. And then in here we have another spare bedroom.
Who's like on this tour with you?
I'm kind of hoping we can turn this into more of a second office space because we definitely, now that the team's here even, they're on the roof right now doing work, and I kind of want to, you know, instead of us sitting at that dining room table, I want to get some more desk space. So this way we have mine and Greg's bedroom. And Lulu's.
Mostly Lulu's bedroom.
So I love this bedroom. It's really light and airy, but like private and feels very zen to me. This is our bed. Amazing. Okay, I'm very excited about this part of the house. Currently, I have all my clothes shoved in about 2 drawers and 1 rack, which doesn't work for me because I have a lot of clothes and shoes, as you guys know. This is my new closet. I'm so excited. Guys, the built-in drawers, everything, just the shelving. I can see my shoes, my bags. Greg's watch is right here. Are you gonna use this?
Probably, yeah.
You guys are gonna help me fill this whole closet out. I'm so excited. It's our bathroom! Guys, I can take baths again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Greg's storage for all of our stuff.
We're gonna get so much toilet paper in here.
And this shower, guys, is huge. I don't know if you could tell on camera. Let me go inside. Couldn't figure it out.
But it's big.
Look at this.
Oh, dang. So 3 shower heads.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. That's a good 6 feet by 6 feet.
If I'm having a bad day, I may just like take a second in here. Come on, get out of the shower. It's actually a good shower if we ever wanted to wash Blue.
I was thinking the same thing.
By the way, guys, you have the first preview of this house. I'm not showing it on my story. You have to watch the YouTube video to see the whole house. Okay, so now we have another little secret outdoor area to show you guys. The team is up there right now. So freaking excited about this space, and this is probably where we're gonna put our at-home gym. So let's go. Okay guys, here is our official rooftop, which happens to be where the team's working right now. Check out this space. We have amazing views. You can literally see the Palisades. I don't know LA very well yet, but you can see a lot of LA. So we have we're actually gonna move that long table downstairs so we can have dinners and work outside down there. And then we'll probably put some of the gym equipment up here. And you have amazing views of LA from up here. You can see the Palisades, and apparently on a clear day, you can see the Hollywood sign, which is my favorite sight to see in LA, and a fire pit.
We'll take it.
Okay guys, that's gonna conclude this house tour. Again, I cannot believe this is our house. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next weekly vlog.